Not 2 minutes after publishing our code, the boss comes rolling by our desk. As we prepare to receive praise and acknowledgement, we instead get a request to place another copy of the square in the bottom right hand of the screen. With no further instructions, the boss moves along. So much for praise. Our function doesn't provide for a position other than the current coordinate of 10, 10. Let's add parameters to control the left and top position of our square. Once we have these in place, we can use the same function to draw both squares. The first thing I want to point out is the dimensions added to the canvas tag. Since we know the size of the web page, we'll make the canvas tag take the entire page size. This is necessary because we need to place a second square in the bottom right of the screen, which we happen to know is 640 by 480. For a moment, as we write this code, we consider adding more parameters to the function. Since we're committed to doing only what is asked, we refrain. We add the left and top parameters to the function. This also enhances readability of the fillRect and strokeRect method calls. We'll leave all legacy code as it is as an illustration of what happens as functions change. In this scenario, we just have one page that is making multiple calls to the same function. We're going to pretend these are two different pages with the first call representing legacy code. In real situations, it may be months before a function changes. It may be a different developer that makes the change, and there may be multiple pages making use of the function, not just our single example page. Let's see the result. We get our second square, but our first one in the upper left-hand corner no longer displays. We've broken legacy code by adding the left and top parameters. So much for our bragging rights. We need to fix this before the boss shows up again. Even though we can call the function with location parameters, our legacy code is broken.